It's Monday, July 11th, and I'm about to get started here with the signals and going to start taking some trades. I'll be back. Okay, I've sent out a signal on CL to go long at 103.67. I'll be back. Okay, CL has gone long here. And for this particular one, I just told everybody in the signals that I think that CL could go up pretty big today, like 200 ticks and maybe even more. So I am looking for a 200 tick trade here today. I think we should be able to get it today. So I will come back. Okay, I just wanted to show that CL moving up. But I called out in the signal that I believe it'll go 200 ticks today. So I am going for 200 ticks today. It might go even more than that. It might do 300. It might even do 400. But I think it's good for 200 today. I think the math is good on it. So I'm going to go for it. Now, if it goes all the way up there and gets really, really close and doesn't hit, oh, YM just got me in. Oh, I didn't even see that one. YM shot up there. Let me take a look at that. Yeah, look good. Looks good. ES and NQ got a long ways to go before they take entry. Anyway, concentrating on CL for right now. The math is pretty darn good on it that it'll go 200 ticks, but let's just say it came really close. 200 ticks, with 200 ticks would be $2,000. Let's say it came really close, like 1900, even 1800, and then started coming down. I might just jump out right there, take the good profit, you know. But I believe that if I were to hang on to it, though, I believe it should be able to make it 200 ticks today. The math is pretty darn good on it, and possibly quite more. So if you really wanted to go for it here, you could go for it here. You could go for 300, 400. You could even hold this one overnight, I think, because it's probably going to go code 5 long, is my guess. But no guarantee of that until it actually does it, though. Anyway, so it got me long on the YM, coming back down a bit. It's going to be a long day here for these instruments, moving very slow, but they should all move up, I believe. Anyway, I will come back. Looking for $2,000 on the CL today. It's a very slow day today, and neither the ES nor the NQ have even given signal yet. But the YM is all by itself and going out there. But here's the thing. It hasn't moved very much. It's only moved like 66 ticks, according to my calculation, and which isn't very much. But the thing is if it comes all the way back down to where I got in at, I'm going to have to get out, because it's not normal to have the YM give signal to go long like this, and then the other two not give signal yet. They should also have gone long, and I thought they would go long by now, but they still have not gone long. So that's a little strange. They should have gone long. It's a possibility that they're not gonna go long. So I mean, it is possible. So what I'll do is I'll let this thing go, and if it wants to run up, go up, and the other two follow later, that's fine, which they might do. But I'll just let it go. At this point, though, it's a break-even trade if it comes down. I'm not going to lose on it. So, but the thing is that everything is pretty much, even CL, not really moving at all. But I'm thinking and hoping that it's going to change soon and start to make a move. So we'll see if it doesn't do that today. I'll be back. Okay, the YM made me get out there. I got out for $128. I don't know what it's doing. The market might roll over here, actually. I don't know. It's very strange today. It's a strange Monday. And they still, nothing is given a signal yet, except the only one that did was the YM. And okay, CL gave a signal. CL, we're in CL still here. That's all I got. It's a strange Monday. You can take a look at the chart. It's really choppy. It's not really doing much. But this is the code, and it has not made it the amount of ticks that it should make it. So it should go up here. And I'm just going to give it more time to do so. But this is the sort of trade I lost on the other day on the YM. It was at the leader, same today, and it went short. And the other ones did not go short. The NQ and ES did not go short. And then it went all the way back up and lost on the trade. It went all the way back up and lost on the trade, and then I went long on it and got some of the ticks back, but not as much as I had lost on the YM. But it's doing the same sort of thing today, but I think it's still going to go up, but I want to wait for the NQ and ES to go long first before I would even think about going long again on the YM. And I still have orders in down here, buy stop orders. So, it may trigger, but right now, I'm not so sure it's going to happen at this point. It still could happen. Market could move. Hopefully oil's just going to shoot up here soon. And then, also the ES may shoot up. And of course, the NQ. NQ got a long ways to go, though, before it were to hit entry. But, so I'm not so sure it's going to make it today. What they may do is they may make it do it, but outside of the market hours. So after market hours, when the market closes, the market's still open 24 hours a day, but after the USA market closes, then they may do it later, like around, let's say, somewhere around 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock at night, USA time, and then overnight, like 4 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, something like that. It make its move. So it could do it. They've been doing that a lot lately. So, CL, very hard to hold the CL today. It's really bad, really choppy. And I don't like the way the chart looks either. It does not look good. Well, I'm going to give it a little bit more of a chance. It should be able to make it mathematically according to the code. So I'm going to give it that chance. I'll come back. Okay, I jumped out of CL. I'm all out of everything here. And I told everybody that I got out on the signals. I don't know what's going on with the market right now. First of all, it's not moving much. And we have a possible market rollover here. It's possible. So I just told everybody that, it's too risky here and let's just get out. So I'm out everything. It doesn't look good to me. I don't know what the market's going to do, and it's a possible market rollover. It's got a long ways to go before it does that, but it's not acting right. So play it safe on a day like today, because usually CL moves really good and it does it right away, and you don't get to sit there and wait around like this. Okay, I'm all done for today. I will be back tomorrow with more signals. Happy trading.